Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Now, you see what this says, Hobby Lobby. I got a Hobby Lobby haul for you, and I'm extremely excited and somewhat embarrassed to show you all the goodies that I got today. So, last week I went to Hobby Lobby, and just a little background, I found some fabrics that I did not get enough of last time I was there, which for the ones that I had that I was looking for, I had gotten them last year and I didn't get, I got a quarter yard, and I must not have caught them on sale, or maybe I was testing them out. Either way, the lady was like, oh, it's going on sale next Monday, which was this past Monday. So today was the last day of the sale, and I said, I'm coming on Saturday anyway, I'll catch it. Let me just say, I had $40 in my head to get, and you see what I paid, right? $41.28, and I'm gonna show you what I got, because they had a 40% off sale, and one item I got was 50% off. Another item was 40% off, but it was $16.19 a yard regular price. So I splurged, but I still stayed within my... Anyway, let's just get into it. I gotta show you what I got, okay? So the first few, I went in here and I said, okay, I'm gonna get a half a yard of all the fabrics that I wasn't able to get last week. I forgot that it was on 40% off, so I could have got a yard and still been within my budget, but it's okay. It all worked out because I got more for my money. So here's what we got. These are fabrics that I got. I'm going to put this away because I don't need this right now. So when I went in, everything I wanted to make sure I had something that had some kind of positive affirmation or a Bible quote or something spiritual, right? So this is a half a yard, and it looks Christmassy, but it doesn't have to be, right? Look at this beautiful. It's Amazing Grace. This is awesome. I love this fabric. I should have got a yard, because one of the things is I am doing fabric journal covers. And there's a video out there that I posted somewhere, either Facebook or YouTube, probably both, talking about my fabric covered journals as another product that I am offering. But because I am now a part of the holiday event that I told you guys about, Christmas, now I'm ready. I'm ready to start creating the product that I really wanted to take with me. And this is going to be one of them. It's going to be a journal cover. Love this. Oh my God, this is beautiful. It's going to be a journal cover, and this is one of the fabrics that I got today. So I got a half a yard of everything that you're going to see, with the exception of one. So there's that. This one I fell in love with. You guys might remember I did a bookmark with this exact image, and I'm loving this. This is a good deep brown. It looks like a chocolate brown with gold. I don't think you can really see. Yeah, there's that color. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. That's the true color right there, guys. Where is it? That. So I got a half a yard of that, and part of what I'm going to try to do is we try to get creative, but I can't keep going in there and buying all this, so I'm gonna probably scan and try to do some sublimation for future projects. We'll see. Here's another one that I fell in love with when I got it last year. Look at that. And I know I did a couple of earrings, or either a bookmark or something like that, a keychain or something like that, using this one. So that's a 1/2 yard. Love that black and white. And with the black and white, so I got the 1/2 yard. I almost got a yard of this, but this one is the Lord's Prayer, the Our Father prayer, whatever you want to call it. So I got more of it, but the words go all the way across this way, and it would be nice if I got at least the whole thing. But if you know, you know, right? So there's that black and white. And I love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm excited about this one. Let me see if I can fold this back up. So, yeah. And I went to Joann today just for one specific fabric that they were out of, but I'll be going back. And then here's another 1/2 yard. This one has the glitter. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out. Look at that. We got the beautiful butterflies. I love this. It's so, I love it. Okay, so we got that one. And this one, it was almost 3/4 of a yard on the bolt. So I told her, I was like, I'm not gonna make you cut me a 1/2 yard and leave that little strand there. So just give me all that. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen this one before. I've shown it before, but I didn't have the whole, I think it was a 1/4 yard, and I was missing out on some of the squares. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Man, absolutely gorgeous. The colors are ridiculous. So that one. And this one I fell in love with as well. Friendship, love, hope. 1/2 yard on that one. That one's beautiful. I love this. That black and white almost kind of vibe. I love this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And here's the last one of my first batch at Hobby Lobby. Here's this one. I wish I could have got more. Like, it don't make any sense for me to get any more, but it's a 1/2 yard on this one. And I just love this black and white. It's just beautiful. Tell me what you think. Which one is your favorite? I love this one. I love them all, but this one is just like calling to me. All right, so that first set came up to about $22, right? All of those, or something like that. I don't know. $22 and some change. So let me put this back. And that was a good deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kinds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/2 yards. Good deal. Good deal. So when I bought the 1/2 yards and she calculated it for me, I was like, really? Only $20-something? I don't know why I was thinking I was gonna spend $40, and it was because I was thinking I was gonna come in here and get a whole yard. Thank goodness I didn't get a whole yard of these, because a sister don't need no more daggone fabric. All right, so the next ones, and when I found out I was well under budget, of course I needed to go and pick up some more, right? Different ones. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. And they are, this one just kept calling me. It was like, who doesn't love coffee, right? Look at that. I can see this as a beautiful journal cover, and I have a couple of things that I want to do as a basket. So I'm stepping out of my jewelry comfort zone to do some different items. And I've been talking about doing some non-jewelry items for a while now. If you've been following me, you know that's what I've been talking about. Hold on, I'm drinking my little sleepy time tea because my butt about to go to bed. So there's the coffee one. Coffee. And then this one, let me move this out the way. This one, because it was blue and blue and white, it just had the contrast. It was just like, you know what, because I can, right? This is really, really a deep blue. I love this. And they had it in black and white, but I didn't want to get another black and white, so I got this one. And I can see this on so many different things, a journal, but other things that I am planning on trying to do. I'm trying to get to the point of creating before I start talking about it, because it's, as a creator, you know, in your head things come out perfectly, but when you start trying to do it, it just don't come out right. Y'all seen me with this one. I'm sure you've got this one, but I still like having this in stock, and for the things that I want to do, this is perfect. This is perfect. The thickness of it is perfect, and I think it will work amazing. All right, so that's a half a yard. And this one is the one that was 50% off. Everything else was 40% off. And you know, I did really well. I'm sure. I mean, I'm glad I walked in there today. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's deep oranges. And I think because it was fall, it was 50% off. But this is gorgeous. So I'm in love with this one. And that was 50% off, and I am happy I got it. And I will make sure that I do something really good with that one. And because it's patchy, you get some of every color. So I like that. Now here is the gold mine. And this is my splurge, guys. And because I'm doing journal covers and I want to make sure that I can have a lower scale and an upper scale product, this is one that's going to be used. Look at this. This is the cork with the gold embellishments. Look at that. I love this. I'll be having some more of this. Now this is only a quarter yard, but it is something that I will be using for the personal custom journals, right? And this is going to be a test, and I'm going to have this as lasered engraved cover. So to be continued on that, and I am really excited about that because, you know, I've been wanting to do journals for a long time, and I'm getting ready to do my own journals. Like the ones that I'm doing now are going to be plain writing journals, but there's so much more to JayCee that I would love to share with you guys. And 2025 is going to be the year that I start stepping out into my out of my jewelry comfort zone and just create, because I can create so much more than jewelry. And I challenge any of you to step out of your comfort zone and do something that you've wanted to do but have been nervous to do, because I'm nervous. But I'm going to do it anyway. Alright guys, this is my Hobby Lobby haul, and I hope you like what you saw. If you have some ideas of how you'd like to see me use some of these things, this one right here, I have to hold on to it for me. I can't go experimenting because this one was not cheap. And we're going to put that to the side. But any of these others, if you see anything that you want to see me work with and see what I can do with it that you haven't seen before, challenge me. Help me step out of my comfort zone. All right, guys. Thanks for pushing play, and I hope you are creating something amazing. I'll see you soon. Bye.